Hindi naman malamig eh.
Dat was van de week. Maar had er ook wel weer wat hoor. Ja, dat is even puffen hoor. Ben je maar goed, we gaan de ene dag in.
Is that how our heater works as well? Is that how our heater works as well?
No, our heater is instant.
Why does this part of the snow go down?
Yun tayo sa tree.
Let's go. Mommy, let's go, Mommy. Is it cold, Mommy? Coach, is it cold?
Not really.
Yeah,
Okay, Pa.
it's fine
It's
so
not
far.
as cold as I thought it was gonna be.
Same. But it is kind of cold. But it's fine so far. This snow is like... Look at this. It's cold. Look.
Yan.
Rabbit?
Oh. Not me.
Why? It's so funny. Is it recording?
Where's mom?
It is. Show the view or something.
Aray! Careful, there's some skiers.
Oh yeah. Why not?
Here soft pa, kaysa dirty yung snow.
Yung,
Daddy, you drop.
ano ulit, yung
Wala, hawakan mo muna.
gagawin mong ganito ah. Yung parang, alam mo i-zoom out. All the
Paano
way.
mag-zoom out?
Ito, 0.5. 0.5, tapos gagano mo. Gagano mo sa ano, sa paligid. Habang, tapos babalik mo ulit. Tapos babalik mo ulit sa akin.
Can I make this? Okay.
Make it bigger.
I can...
Having fun, baby?
Yes. Whoa. There's green. I missed. Ow!
Kuya, may sheets ako. Pero akit muna tayo.
Oh, gloves.
Oh, never mind. Again.
You need to see this.
It's scary.
It is.
This is the cave diving stuff. I don't know.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, it
Let's
is the
go.
cave diving. Let's go. Let's go.
Yeah, it's a cave. It's nice.
Oh, galing.
A pack of wolf.
Piece of ice.
There's the Matterhorn,
Galing.
yung mountains, naka ano.
Cool.
Cool, diba? Yun yung Matterhorn. Let's go. Move. This one really quick lang. Yeah.
Too small too.
Any idea how far is it?
Not far.
No, not far.
Not far.
Ah.
I think they will bring up.
They're at the very end.
Oh, at the very end, you need to bring it up. Ah, okay. All right, thanks.
You ready?
No way.
Good?
Come, let's go.
Okay, good?
No, I'm not
Okay,
gonna do
3,
that.
Wanna
2,
do that?
1.
Let's try. Yeah, that far? Let's go, get one.
Are you guys gonna try?
Yeah.
I wanna try.
Come on, let's go.
Wait, not yet. Hold on, baby.
Alright, you can go.
Okay, go.
I came down so slow though.
Okay, wait, Dad.
Hold on, I'll tell you when. Ow, my God.
Whoa! That is the noisiest.
It's what? Okay. Incoming! Woo! Okay, you can go.
Sit ka dyan, sit.
It's wet kasi. It's wet.
Kung pang setup. Maria. Oh yeah.
Kanya-kanyang shrine sila. Kikam.
Ano lang tayo? 0.5.
Ikaw.
So, Switzerland, and that side, what? Italy?
Italy.
Italy. Yun ang makikita nyo sa, what's this ba? Glacier Paradise?
Glacier Paradise.
Yeah.
Kuma, stop! Stay there! Kuma, stay there! Kuma, stop! Stay where you are!
Woo. Altitude 3,800. There's the Matterhorn on the left. Yun yung Matterhorn, no?
And now it looks very different.
Yeah. Yeah.
Are you a picture niya আছে?
I'm recording.